हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज़ हरलीन कौर। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो है हैक्स फॉर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। सो हम सब की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लग रही हैं और हम सबको कुछ ना कुछ हैक्स ज़रूर चाहिए होते हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको हैक्स बताऊंगी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए। सो ये पूरे 10 हैक्स होंगे। सो मेक श्योर आप मेरी वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा और लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिएगा। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Everyone, so let's start with our first hack. So our first hack is try to wake up early in the morning. Yes friends, if you will try to wake up early in the morning at least 2 hours before your online classes, so you will feel that most of your work is done before your online classes. Like preparation for the online classes is very necessary, because if you will not prepare yourself, you just wake up and don't have that much time to just brush yourself and anything else, so you will not feel active and you will feel very lazy and you will be not give your 100%. You will not be that much productive as much as you will when you will take bath and have a walk. So yeah, I will suggest you to wake up early in the morning. And if you say no, I am not able to wake up early in the morning, so try to wake up at least 2 hours. Or if you're trying to wake up, so start it from half an hour, then 1 hour, then 2 hours. It's really work friends, it really works. So this is my first hack for you, because if you will not try this, you will definitely feel very lazy and you will not give your 100%, and productivity will be less and less. So try this hacks and comment me in the down below. So moving to the next hack. Friends, here is my second hack for you. While studying means then we are get up, we have taken our bath before 2 hours our online study. So now there is a major problem. We feel very disturbance from our surrounding. Means there is a lot of disturbance in the surrounding. So how to manage all these things, because we are in our house, so there can be a lot of noise for your just to block all this distraction, all this noise from you. Try AirPods and try to wear any headphones which you are having, and try it and then comment me down below that is it helpful for you or not. So moving toward our third hacks. Hey friends, so I'm having third hack for you. So we are continuously attending our online classes from last year. So obviously we are having a lot of problems like eyes irritation and very tiredness in the eyes, redness, and sometimes very water flowing from eyes. So it's not good for our eyes, it's very harmful. And for this I'm having the solution. So you can use the blue glasses. So yeah, this is the hack for you. So these blue glasses can protect your eyes from being harmed from the rays of the mobiles, because it's not good for your health. You can use that specs as the alternative. You can also use the option where available in the mobile phone, but yeah, I think that glasses can protect more than that. So you can use that glasses. It's very helpful for you. You can use it very quickly, and I will also share a photo with you on the screen, so that will be good for you. You can purchase this online also, and if it is available on the local store, you can purchase it offline also. It's all depending upon you and productive in your studies. So moving to our fourth hack. Friends, now we have done with all these things. So now we're just studying. Then there is a lot of questions that how to study. So according to me, when you're just attending your live class, so now then only you should try to make notes as much as it is possible, because yeah, we are studying in our house only, so we have to give as much as our time to study, because this is very precious. As I'm in 10th grade, so if you are also in 10th grade, it's very precious time for all of you. So try to consume your time, try to just make it as much as productive as you can. So while you are just attending your online classes, rather than making notes on your book, you can try a special copy. Means you can just add on a copy, and you can just try to write on that, and you can also make the productive notes. So for productive notes, I will make video. Please comment me down below if you want my effective notes video. I will make also, because I'm having a lot of different ideas to make the effective notes. So I will make, but try to reduce your stress. Like, don't just write on your book only, and then there will be a lot of mess. It will be not good for you. When you will go back there and try to understand the concept, you will be not going to have that. Try to write all that stuff which you write on the side of the notebook, or even on the, try to write on the a different notebook. Time, it will not that much consume your time. It will give you a very good effective notes also. You can write on different notebooks, so that it will be helpful for you. And just write down a big note, means like it is the I should say, like, my first concept of the now we are just studying as social science. So from history, if we will say Rowlatt Act, so just write down all that in a big bold words, and then write all the concept there. So you will be gonna have a good notes. I should not say a better notes, but if you want notes like that, so you can make your notes directly in this way also. So it will be also helpful for you. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe it now only. And so here is your sixth hack. So friends, we are just continuously sitting in front of our phones, so I just tired from that. So we should, I think we should just change our position. We should try to sit on the different places, so that we will be able to be more productive. Like if we just sitting in front of the phone and our table, so try to sit in the sunlight. Not means we should, I'm not saying not go outside. Go outside, like in the morning when you're just feeling it's cool there, so go outside. Try to spend 1 or 2 classes there, then get up, take a walk, and walk a little bit, not a lot, but walk a little bit as much as you can. So walk a little bit, and then sit down for your online classes. So in this way, try to be very productive like this. Like, change your position, change your surrounding, your books, make your notes very effective, colorful, with colorful pens, with sticky notes. So try all these kind of things, so that you will be infuse yourself. You will be able to be more productive in your studies. It will be helpful for you. Really guys, it's tried and tested hacks, because I have also used these all hacks in my last year. In 2020 9th class. So now I'm in 10th, so I thought these are the best hacks, so I'm sharing it with you, so that you will be also able to use these hacks in your 10th or any grade. It's useful. So friends, moving to the and so here is your sixth hack. So friends, get up early in the morning. We use the headphones to block the sounds from the surrounding, and we use that specs also to protect our eyes from the harmful rays. So yeah, what next? What we did, that sometimes we just sit early from our online classes. Like our online classes timing is 8:30, like my, so we just sit 8:15, and we just try to watch videos and just pass time on the phones, which is not good for our eyes and good for ourselves also, because we have to attend online classes. So it's wastage of our time also. We have already we already just spent our most of the time on the phone, and we just adding on that time, so which is not good. Obviously we are just wearing the specs, but it is not that much good. We are also wasting our time, and we are also wasting our internet. As we all know, it's very much precious also. So we should not do this, because this is very burden on your eyes, and it also stress you, because if you just continuously spending your time on phone, so you don't feel like very much comfortable. You just want to spend on time on your phone only. So try to reduce as much as you can your phone time, your rough phone time, like you're enjoying videos and gaming. So reduce your gaming and videos time, so that you will be able to infuse yourself in doing some other activities. So that can helpful for you. So I don't think you should try to put more and more time on your gaming. You can just have a particular time, like you can set a particular time, like half an hour or an hour for that, but don't overuse it, because it will be harmful for you only. Friends, here is my next hack. So now what we did, that we planned our all the things, but then we forgot to do this. Why? Because we are not attentive, we are not that much attached to that. So how to do all these things? So how to manage your timetable, how to make yourself more effective and more productive? So whatever the planner you have, if you have a planner, it's good. You should have a planner to plan your whole day. Plan your whole day before you going to your online classes. Friends, if you have a planner, it will be very effective, because if you don't have planner, you will not able to do anything. Friends, I also did a lot. Means 1 month I was not having any planner, and I was not that much productive in that month. And then afterward, when I just use my planner to plan my whole day, what I have to do, in which slot of time I have to take rest, I have to watch TV, means all these things. Plan yourself, not like a timetable, but planner, like what I have to do, the task. Because most of from us, we were not able to follow our timetable more effectively. We were not able to follow that strict timetable. So yeah, instead of making the timetable, you can use planner to make your plan that yeah, today I have to do this. Like if you're having 5 tasks for Monday, for afternoon, means for the midday, you can add on 3 tasks, and then at evening and night. And it's in this way you will be able to use your planner. You can able to use your day in a very effective way. So use planner to make your day more productive. Do not waste your single day, because in this class, in these classes, in this pandemic, you have to be very active and productive. You must not be that much lazy. So moving to the next hack. Hey friends, so this is my next hack for you. Most of us are busy in our phone only. So why not to make our planner or notes in our phone only? So what I have thought, that there is an app to make notes, or you can also add on the box to take that. So use your phone in that way, that whatever you just want to write that today I have to do these are my tasks. So if you're not able to if you're not productive, that if you're not that much creative, so try to be creative in this way. You can use your phone in this way. You can use this app notes, and you can just simply write on that. Now friends, I have told you to make planner to plan your day, or if you are able to follow your timetable, you can make the timetable also. So what you have to do, that if you have the timetable or the planner, or sometime the people have both timetable and planner both. So what you did, try to paste it on the wall where you sit, where you thought that I'm continuously there, and most of the time of my day spent there at that room, or maybe that particular place. So plan your day and timetable your day, or just stick that particular planner or timetable there, so that you will be able to come to know that yeah, now this is the time I have to do this. Like it is 2 o'clock, now there is my study time, now this is my lunch time, now this is I have to go to watch my TV, or anything, whatever you just want to do at any time. So here friends, here is the next hack. Friends, in all these things, we're just attending our online classes, and we're just busy in our making notes and all things. So what is here, we just forgot our hobby, we just forgot our all the creativity, we forgot that what we like the most. So what I'm just saying, so try to infuse yourself, try to make a day like in which you can use your phone, you can use your phone productively, watch TV, and also try to infuse your hobby. Most of us forgot that what to do in this pandemic. We're just spending on time on the phone only. So try to infuse your hobby, try to do a better things like drawing. If someone's have a hobby of dance, to try to dance, try to make your dance more good. So try to influence your hobby as much as you can. This is now the time you can give to your study and to your hobby too. No, you do not have to travel a lot for your online classes is there. You have not to go any outside. You don't have to go to the school and then come back. Now your tuitions, nothing is there. Everything is there available on your phone only. So now is the time when you save your time and just use it in a very good way. Try to infuse yourself, because now only there is a time when you can make yourself more good. It's very precious time. You can use this very perfectly. Instead of watching videos, you can make your own videos and try to infuse yourself, motivate yourself, and do not be demotivated, because this is not a time to demotivate yourself. This is a time to motivate yourself and just make yourself as much as best you can. So here we are just going to our last and perfect hack for all of us. So let's watch. Friends, after doing all these things, after making notes, after attending our online classes, after being very creative, after being motivated, now the thing is what to do at the end of the day, or what to do a day when you're just free, when you want to be relaxed. Guys, give yourself a reward. It's very much effective for yourself also. Your brain wants that reward, and you will be able to do more thing, whatever you just want to do. If you are a person who really likes the rewards, I think all of us really likes the rewards, so give yourself a reward. It can be anything. It can be if you like the chocolates, it can be chocolate. It can be if you just like to watch TV more than 1 hour. If it is not there in your schedule, so watch 2 hours in a day, in a week, but do not overuse this reward purpose. This is very perfect for yourself. Give yourself reward and make yourself more motivated, because how can we motivate in this only? How our school, how our academic, how they are motivating us, only giving us rewards and giving us good marks, means all these kind of things they did, and making us feel more motivated, and we are just very happy after achieving all these things. You can also use these things with you, and you can use all these things in your daily life. And please guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment me down below, so that I will be make more videos like such. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you like this and try these hacks in your daily life. So till then, good luck and bye bye.